Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2011 Honda Odyssey. Customer called and said that they were getting some unusual thumping noises coming from the rear of the vehicle, especially when they applied the brakes. So, got the vehicle in, took it for a test drive, noticed that in fact there were some unusual thumping noises coming from the rear. Pulled the vehicle in, took the rear tires off, and noticed that there were some unusual spots on the rear rotors. It almost looked like it was spots from where the car had been sitting, and the brake pad had kind of left an impression on the rotor, as you can see from the pictures here. Oftentimes when a vehicle sits for any length of time, there can be like a little rust buildup in those areas where the water can't completely dry out. Advised the customer that the way to resolve the issue would be to replace the rear rotors. Went ahead and put a set of rotors on it, took it for a drive, and magically that noise was gone, and the pulsation in the vehicle had also disappeared when applying the brakes. Oftentimes when a vehicle sits like that, it's not really the best for it. We talked to the customer and told them they could drive it, you know, once a week, twice a week, whatever. That would probably be better and help solve the issue. So if you have an issue like that, where you got a vehicle that's making some noise while you're applying the brakes, we do offer free estimates. It's definitely something we'd look forward to taking care of for you. Thanks for watching. My name's Dan. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.